Hello Tabbers. This is another, I guess it's an upgrade video, maybe a little maintenance video, I don't know. But here's the top of my 2015 Max S trailer. I'm in my little shed here. What we're looking at is the two vents that I have on the top of my trailer. That's the vent that I put in for my air conditioner on the other side, and at the time I told you that I was going to upgrade this vent, mainly because on mine you can see how this is broken. See the crack that's there? Well, the little support right here, you can see that little support, that broke off of there, so that this guy, it doesn't lock down right, it doesn't go up and down. So in the mail today, a new cover for this game, a white one like that one, so that these will match. You see that this is what's Fan-Tastic Fan, people who make the Fan-Tastic Fan, this is called a low profile unit. The one I got is not a low profile unit, it's just the cover that goes on here. It's not a low profile, so if you order what I've got and you're trying to stuff your tab trailer into a garage, you're going to lose a little bit of height here. No big deal, just a couple of inches. But if that matters to you, then you'll want to get another low profile unit. So it's pretty straightforward. They're just 4 screws here and that lever assembly you have to hook on. So let's get at it. Here we are in my shop. This is what arrived. You can see how it's slightly domed here. See how it's domed instead of flat? So this is not a low profile lid. This is the regular lid. Pretty straightforward. Comes with a new slide, new lock pin, and a hinge. I mean, it's that pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna climb up on the top. We'll take those 4 screws out and replace it with this one. Then go inside and put that pin in. Okay, so here we are. I'm just gonna take these 4 screws off real quick. Now the trick is you can't walk on top of your trailer, and you also can't lean against it much because you don't want to break those plastic pieces. So it's just a matter of reaching way over here best you can and taking those screws out. So I'll pull the rest of those and we'll be right back at you. Okay, we have the 4 screws off and the top just lifts off. The new ones, it's great. The same screw holes, the same everything. So when I put it back on, these are the little screws that go in. You want to put a little bit of caulk around each group because you don't want water going down through that screw hole into your top. So I'm going to put the new one on, put a little bit of goop on, tighten it up, and then we'll hook up the support arm over here. Let's get at it. Okay, we're done. There's a new one on. Opens and closes just fine. Let me show you why we replaced this one. Here we are back in the shop, and you can see where that has broken. New one's on, worked just fine. Everything's in the exact same place, same hinge. Excellent. Real quick one today. Hope you enjoyed that. If you need to replace your cover, piece of cake. Talk to you later.